Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. Yeah, today's gunsmithing day. My neighbor asked me to do some repairs on his gun, so his wife brought it by, and I've just finished it up. I'm going to go outside and test fire it, make sure everything is working and functioning properly. And it looks like the sights are really bent out of place on the rear sight anyway. So I'm going to see if that's intentional or if somebody just dropped it and that's the way it ended up. So anyway, all done with the repair and looking like fresh out of the store. So look what we got. 26-mile-an-hour winds, 82 degrees, 15% humidity, with a slight chance of rain. Well, go figure. Go figure. 26.82. That's a little bit low pressure. So yeah, we got a low that's supposed to be moving through here and cooling things down again. But it's only been spring weather here for this whole springtime, actually. Where last year, in April, we were already exceeding the triple digits. And this year I saw the triple digits one time where it actually made 100 degrees. And that was it. So anyway, going to get this video done and then get back in and reassemble this rifle and then take it out and see what how well I did, how good it works. All right, so Blackbeard showed back up again this morning, and he was hungry. And they're all, when they disappear for a couple of days, they come back and they're skinny. So they must be walking one hell of a distance, getting more exercise than food. So they cleaned their table off. I gave them supper already, and they're just doing fine. And an update on the giveaway. There's Gillis. My neighbor was here. She said that he smells like he's been rolling in something. So might have to get him to one side, give him a bath. Doggy Daddy. Old Doggy Daddy really has become friendly. He likes making sure he stays close to me, and he never leaves here. All the others do, but he stays right here. So, been down to the garden, still got grasshoppers. Found another YouTube on how to get rid of grasshoppers, so I'll be watching that tonight. See if it gives me any new ideas. But just sick and tired of grasshoppers. Really sick and tired of grasshoppers. It's real hazy today. You can hardly see the mountains. And of course the winds came up and they weren't supposed to. Of course we were only supposed to have winds of it for Sunday and Monday this week. But no, they gave them to us for the whole week. Every day so far. And at night, dropping down in the 50s, low 50s. Actually, I saw 50 degrees at the bottom of it all. That's pretty chilly. I'm just wondering what Patches found over there. Got to keep our eyes out for snakes nowadays. It's that season for them. But I've seen a lot of lizards around, which means there aren't a lot of snakes around, because snakes will eat lizards and birds and eggs and things like that. All right. That's about it, everybody. I'm gonna go inside and upload this short video. My uploads have been going faster since I got online with my service provider and said, hey, what the heck, why did it take 16 hours to upload a 15-minute video? And she was a real nice second echelon, I think she was. They call them a tech supervisor. And she had me do a few things, and then she said, well, I'm going to look deeper into this, but I'll get back to you. Now, that's the only thing she didn't do. She didn't get back to me. But apparently she did find a problem and fixed it. because I've been getting 4 bars all day long over here, and my uploads are going real quick at night, so that's a good thing. All right, everybody. I'm going to type up the rules for the giveaway contest probably tomorrow, and they've got a DUI checkpoint going in town. I saw that on the news, but I won't be going into town, so I don't have to worry about that. But I did get my jury duty notice again this year, so looks like I got to deal with that in August. That's it, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget your thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. This is G Bear signing off.